are Indian students suddenly being asked to leave Germany? Germany has always been a top dream destination for Indian students. But what's happening in Berlin right now has raised serious questions. Let's break it down clearly and honestly. Who is impacted? Several Indian students enrolled at IU International University of Applied Sciences, Berlin, a private university, have recently faced unexpected visa troubles. How did these students enroll? Many students joined through pathway or hybrid programs where part of the course was completed online from India, followed by relocation to Germany. These programs were promoted as fully valid for both academics and visa purposes. What changed in 2025? Berlin's immigration authority reviewed these hybrid study models and decided that online and on-campus programs do not count as full-time on-campus study under German student visa rules. What happened next? Visa extensions were refused, resident permits were rejected. Some students were asked to leave Germany despite being officially enrolled. Important to understand that this is not a ban on Indian students. Germany is simply enforcing its visa rules more strictly. Only 100% full-time on-campus programs are eligible for a German student visa. If you are currently studying in Germany, stay calm, double check your program structure, speak to your university's international office or a qualified advisor. If you're planning to apply, avoid hybrid or online first programs, confirm full-time on-campus status in writing. Germany is still one of the best countries to study abroad, but choosing the right program is more important than ever. Always apply through trusted and experienced study abroad consultancy. One wrong choice can cost your visa. At VTMC International, we do not just help students go abroad, we help them go the right way. Before suggesting any university or course, VTMC checks 100% full-time on-campus eligibility, current immigration and visa regulations, whether the program is recognized and visa compliant, no hybrid trap, no unclear pathways. Right country, right course matching. We analyze each student's academic background, career goals, budget and language readiness, and then match them with countries and courses that genuinely suit them, not just what's trending. University shortlisting with proven track record, VTMC works only with reliable universities, public or private, with a strong history of student visa approvals, post-study work opportunities, international student support. No false promises. We clearly explain what works, what doesn't, what risks to avoid, end-to-end visa guidance from SOP drafting to visa filling. VTMC ensures correct documentation, honest representation of study mode, strong rule-compliant applications. Pre-departure and post-arrival support. Even after landing, VTMC supports students with residence registration, university coordination, local compliance guidance. Most visa problems happen due to wrong course selection or incomplete information. VTMC prevents this by combining real European study experience, regulatory knowledge, and ethical counseling. Choose a course that is recognized, compliant, and future proof with the right guidance.